Hey Plant Pals, I'm Mike the Cat Gardener, and this is a quick video in reference to David Corey with the crop saying that box mixes aren't no good. I made myself a nice fudge brownie mix. This is my birthday treat with my wife and myself. We have birthdays close to each other, so we met in the middle for our treat. We usually eat clean, we usually eat keto, but this is the day that we're going to have some kind of junk. And so we both wanted something chocolate, so I made delicious brownie. And so I'm gonna have some brownie, and I got myself some. Now this I made myself. This is homemade. I melted chocolate. I made some ganache with some cream and some powdered sugar. It's a little hot in the house, and this is brownie still warm, but I don't care because I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat it. And I got myself. Well, got myself some old-fashioned ice cream. So you know what I'm gonna do? Get myself a scoop of cold ice cream on that hot piece of brownie there with the frosting. Don't get no better than that. All right. How you feel about it now, David? All right. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.